my mini English lessons. I'm Shua Kadirushan. How's it going up there? Hope you are doing so well. Yes, let's get started. Today's lesson, I'm going to introduce you two simple phrases, very useful phrases. One is so what, and the similar synonym of it is what's of it. What's of it? So what? Oh, what's of it? Simply repeat this one with me. Okay, here we go. So what? So what? So what? Okay. What of it? What of it? What of it? Okay. Let's see the meaning. All right. Okay, here we go. And it is used. So what or what of it is used to say that you do not care about something. You don't worry about something. All right. You don't care about something, or you don't think it is important to you. Just nothing for you. Okay. So in a situation like that, simply you just said, so what? If someone comment on something, you can say, so what? Or what of it? Okay, if someone says something, that you do not care about the situation, you can just say, so what? All right. If someone says your hair looks so messy, all right, you can say, so what of it? Oh, so what? All right. You look so odd is a remark that you receive from people, negative remarks. Okay. So you can just say, so what? Or what of it? Hope you understood. Now just see these two phrases at work in sentences. Okay, here we go. Your room looks a real mess, Tracy. So what? Good. Hope you understood. But Paul, she's so much older than you. What of it? Hope you got it. Thanks so much indeed for watching this mini lesson.